Hello students, I'm Aisha Siddiqa, Government First Grade College, Tumkur, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry. In this is for BSc students who are studying chemistry in the 5th semester, prescribed by the Tumkur University for the session 24 of the syllabus. After going through this video, you should be able to understand the occurrence, structure, synthesis, properties and biological importance of alkaloids. In the previous sessions, you have studied about carbohydrates as natural products. Many times, natural products can also be used as drugs. For example, quinine has been used from a very long time as an anti-malarial drug. Many other compounds are there, like nitrogen-containing compounds, which are also found in DNA, RNA. Like we have the bases, purine and pyrimidine bases. And these alkaloids are similar to that. Many alkaloids are plant-based and most of them they contain nitrogen and they all have medicinal properties. Some pharmacological action will be there. So by definition, alkaloids are the basic nitrogenous heterocyclic compounds which are obtained from the plants having pronounced physiological action. That means they have some kind of physiological action on we human beings especially. Most of the time, the characteristics, if we go through, they exist in crystalline form. They're non-volatile solids, and sparingly soluble in water, but easily soluble in organic solvents like ethanol, ether, chloroform, etc. Many times they exhibit levorotatory property, optical property. As I said, they are basic in nature. They have physiological action and they can be precipitated using certain acids like tannic acid, picric acid, perchloric acid, etc. Classification is based on the type of heterocyclic ring that may be present. So based on that, we have the first group of alkaloids, that is phenylethylamine alkaloids. Example is ephedrine. Pyridine containing alkaloids, it is piperine and quinine, which we are going to study later on. Pyridine pyrrolidine alkaloids nicotine, whose structural elucidation we are going to study. So if it contains a combination of pyridine piperidine, the example is anabazine. And next we have tropane alkaloids, atropine and cocaine. Next, quinoline containing alkaloids, quinine. Isoquinoline alkaloids are papaverine and morphine. Indole containing alkaloids are strychnine and rizopine. Now let us come to the structure and physiological functions of quinine. This has been known from a very long time for treatment of malaria, obtained from bark of cinchona tree. It is used for treating malaria. It was a bitter compound. Therefore, it was mixed with tonic, which is a sweet liquid. It is used for treatment of leg cramps, which is caused by the vascular spasm. And this is the structure of quinine. Now, structure and physiological functions of quinine. Quinine is having this kind of a structure. Piperidine alkaloids are organic compounds containing saturated heterocyclic amine rings. So it has got piperidine. This is the structure of piperidine, wherein we have a side chain here containing three carbons. Quinine is used as a neurotoxin, which leads to the inhibition of nervous system. But it is toxic to human beings taken in a huge quantity. Now, structural and physiological functions of piperine. Piperine is found in pepper that we all consume in our everyday life. The pungency of pepper, which is otherwise also known as piper nigra, it contains piperine. Piperine is used as anti-inflammatory and anti-arthritic drug. It is also used as antioxidant and anti-tumor. Properties are also exhibited by this. This is pepper, which contains the piperine. The structure of piperine is this. Now, some of the questions that you may expect from this topic is what are alkaloids, what are the general characteristics of alkaloids, uses of quinine and quinine, and similarly you have to learn about the structure and physiological function of piperine, quinine and quinine. Thank you.